So this is our
This hole is what you call the assignment.
This is the way to hell.
Assignment hole.
This is This is the sinner.
Yeah.
This is
What will happen if we didn't?
This is what will happen to you if you don't have for spiritual law.
Yeah.
This is the sinner man.
Yes. This is 7. That is 7.
This is the man. Ito yung man. Ito yung tao. Tagalog na lang. Ito yung taong makasalanan.
Yeah. That's what you call a sinner man.
Makasalanan.
You know what? God loves us, and He has a wonderful plan for our life. That is heaven right there. And that is hell. That is hell. Look at it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like a bowl. Does it look familiar? Does it look familiar to you? It looks like a bottom.
So, ito yung taong makasalanan. Ito si Satanas. Ayun yung tao, tinulak ni Satanas. So, ayun yung hell.
That's the hell, guys.
Diyan ka mapupunta pag makasalanan.
Like a bowl.
Ganito ang nangyayari sa'yo.
If you go in the flow of the world, this is what's going to happen to you.
Yeah.
It's practice na. That's only a practice.
Yan.
Oh.
Ganyan na tao.
Little by little.
Oh! And He saves you.
That's how Jesus saves you. That's how Jesus saves you. They're going to save you. That's what you're amazing. Yeah, amazing.
Ako naman.